COVID-19 was on the minds of Billings School Board trustees tonight as they heard an update from the Yellowstone County health officer. Billings students are entering their 5th week of in-person classes, while the county at large is experiencing an uptick in positive COVID cases. Public health officials are working with school administrators to streamline contact tracing in the classroom to more quickly quarantine students. Q2's Mitch Legge brings us a recap of the meeting.
At the Billings School Board meeting Monday, trustees heard a community COVID-19 update from Yellowstone County Health Officer John Felton. In his remarks, he told trustees about the measurements that public health officials are looking at to determine whether or not in-person classes can continue. From last week to the previous week, the county saw an increase from 18 to 31 cases per 100,000 people per day. That stat increased by 13 cases total. And the positivity rate among youth ages 19 and under jumped from 9 to 18% in the same time period. The health department looks at those statistics and 2 others to make determinations about the schools. If 3 of 4 measures go into the red zone, meaning that they have stressed operations for a period of 2 weeks, public health officials will look at possible school closures. Currently, those school measurements are hovering around the yellow mark. On the school district side of things, to more quickly help quarantine students, the health department is deputizing Billings school administrators to be able to share confidential COVID-19 information with the health department. This training is scheduled to begin on Wednesday for some administrators.
I think it's as effective of a program as that we can have at this time. I'm concerned with the increase in cases that if we had to rely on public health being 24 or 48 hours behind that, we could increase the numbers.
Upham said that the health department has already deputized a handful of elementary school administrators for the roles. He said that they have already helped keep up the timeliness of the quarantine procedures. In Billings, Mitch Legge, MTN News.
Thanks, Mitch. The county health officer also touched on what events see the most COVID-19 spread. Well, here in Yellowstone County, it's still family gatherings like weddings or funerals and the workplace that are the biggest contributors.